Hey, Small Town Solutions, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to try one of them viral TikTok videos that y'all see on TikTok. We're going to try cooking an egg in the microwave using nothing but a paper plate and a little bit of oil. So we're going to do this all in real time, and let's do it. So all it says is take a little bit of oil. We're on a regular paper plate. Good enough, I guess. It didn't really say how much. Let's just kind of get that all around. Then you're going to want to take an egg. Give her a good crack right in the center of your plate. Best you can. Grab your other plate right here. Put that in there. Put that up in your microwave. Try to get it centered as best you can. Close it. Set for 1 minute. And go ahead and start. Because this is a TikTok viral thing, I'm not really sure on the safety. So today, we have a little bit of extra safety just in case. Hopefully we don't need this. So there we go. We're going to let this go for the minute. It's making some really horrible sounds I don't like. Like it's popping away in there. I don't know if you guys can hear this. I'll put the mic a little closer. Eesh. Yeah, I don't know about this, but we'll see what it is. 28 seconds left to go. This is the longest part, is waiting. 20 seconds. Ugh. It's really making popping sounds in there. It said a minute, so we're going to go for the minute. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, there we go. So, let's grab our supposedly perfectly cooked egg out of here. Ooh, toasty. And let's see what it looks like. You guys are seeing this just like I am. For the first time. There you go. I mean, it cooked it. I'm not sure. Well, let's see here. The yolk is pretty much... It's overcooked. So maybe 45 seconds. But, I mean, what's the worst? Let's give it a taste here. And it's stuck to the plate, too. Maybe one of them wax-covered paper plates, but let's see. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's cooked. It's overcooked, as you can see. So maybe if you tried it only for 45 seconds, it'd be perfect. But in a pinch, I guess you can cook an egg in a microwave. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you again next time.